Afowethu namuhla ngifisa sikhulume ngoHandy. So okwesibili ngithola i-complaint efanayo kuwukuthi-ke kusuke kungekhona ukuthi mhlampe ngiyithathela phezulu ngoba ngisuke ngitshela sometimes ezinye izinto kufanele zinisize noma kufanele ziwethe something inini ukuze nikwazi ukuthi nani ni-invest kuleso story esisuke senzeka ngaleso sikhathi. Okokuqala usisi wayethenge eHandy eStenga. Wathi esebuyisela khona I think ise-customer care or angazi bayibizani le ndawo obuyisela kuyona imoto mangabe ukuthi kufanele iyosetshenzwa noma kufanele ibhekwe inkinga enayo ngaleso sikhathi. Yaba nenkinga imoto within a space of 2 months or 3 months down the line. Eyithengela ukuthi lalela ngifuna ulalisa isizathu ukuthi imoto wayithengeleni ukuze ubone ukuthi abantu imoto bayithenga ngezizathu eyisuke ijulile. Wathi lo wasisi wayikhulelwe wayelindele ukuthi mangabe njengoba wayithenga imoto wayelindele ukuthi imsize ekuthenini ahambise izingane ekliniki noma ke whatever le treatment ekumele ziyithole ukuze ikwazi ukuthi izingane zibe more comfortable because wayikhulelwe amawele. Mangabe sekufanele imoto imsize ayisamsizi isilokhu igijima ama-customer care wathi le ndlela abayibiza ngayo ngisakhumbula ukuthi bayibiza ngani kahle kahle. Ningixolele bafethu uma unento engasayikhumbuli wena mangabe uyazi thatha ngaleyo ndlela yokuthi uyayazi la kuserviswa khona imoto. By uHandy i-package offerisha yona ukuthi okay in a space of 6 months or 2 years or 5 years i-guarantee isa under bona awukakavumeli ukuthi imoto uyifake ngaphansi insurance awukavumeli ukuthi uyifakele i-tracker. Usisi waba neyinkinga kangangokuthi imoto waze wagcina ezama uku-expose uHandy waseStenga nasebhalito ku-TikTok. Baphosta abantu amavidiyo bangisendela nami ukuthi cha bayacela ukuthi ngixwayise abantu ngoHandy oseStenga. Alright. Namhlanje kunenkinga yakaKia ose-Hatfield ePretoria ngase-Centurion. Okay, angazi noma kuhlangene noma kuhlukene yini. Alright. Inkinga kasisi uthi uthenga imoto brand new. Nale moto kade ngikhuluma ngayo uHandy bi brand new njalo. Bathi zi brand new. Siyaqonda ukuthi mhlambe kuwena i-first driver leyo moto, first owner leyo moto. Kodwa yona kahle isuke ingekho yintsha ngokuthi kufanele ngesikhathi esihlalile mhlambe ku-dealership. UKia kufanele nawo uthena usisi uyithengele imoto in a space of couples of months yathi banenkinga kwafunisela ayibuyisele khona ngoba offerisha ukuthi if ever ihlangana nenkinga kulesi sikhathi esingaka kufanele ayibuyisele kubona and bamfakele nane-tracker ngokwe-package yabo bekufanele vele. Usisi imoto uyithengele ukuthi utravel esuke eGoli esebenzele ePretoria esuke ePretoria ubuyele eGoli ubengekho ready for ukushintsha indawo ukuthi mhlambe ezohlala ePitoli. Wadecide ngemali yakhe noma ngebhenki elimvumelayo ukuthi akwelete ukuthi athathe i-risk athenge imoto. Ukuthenga imoto kwakhe-ke ubefuna imoto entsha noma uthathe imoto entsha. Ngokuthatha imoto entsha ngethemba lokuthi kufanele imlast at least mhlambe uma 5 years or 10 years isa right noma ke isaraneka ngendlela ekuyiyona yona ingakamhluphi njengeyimoto mhlambe kusuke kusuggest ukuthi hayi le bi second hand mhlambe umnikazi wayo uyibuyisela ngoba sinenkinga noma umnikazi wayo wayisenze u1 no2 no3. Njengamanje uKia ulokhu umnikazi izinkinga imoto intsha abafuna ukuyithatha back mayethi abayithathe back mhlambe bemrefund or bemnikeze enye abafuna ukuyithatha back ngezizathu so ukuthi mhlambe bazoluza i-dealership what. Alright ngani zakwethu lento mina ngiyibuke ngokuthi mhlambe banakalelwa igama kancane ngoba kahle kahle mangabe sisuke senza la something or si-expose suke singa-expose ngenhloso yokuwisa amabhizinisi ase-South Africa kodwa suke si-expose ngokuthi mhlambe kufanele ezinye izinto abantu bebe aware ngazo bezazi ukuthi okay la kuba nomngozi obuthile. Ngabe sewa-experience lenkinga ungasibhalela la kwi-comment section usho ukuthi cha wena useka-experience lenkinga mhlawumbe uyafisa nawe ukuthi uzochaza ungasibhalela e-comment section. I-EPA izo-attenda fast ukuze ukwazi ukuthi nawe mhlawumbe ukwadlulisa uvo lwakho mayelana nalenkinga noma usitshele ukuthi wena isolution ikwaze kwaba yini ngoba imoto makuthiwa bayibuyisela back abantu abasuke benalenkinga abayivumi kuma-dealership ofuthi leyo nto leyo mhlambe kuyinto engekho right. Yes ngiyavuma mhlambe kuyabhalwa ukuthi no refund or mhlambe uzokwazi ukuthi wenze refund in a space of some time, yabo. Kodwa ngikwazi ukuthi mina ngithenge into kuwena manginganelisekile ngayo ngesevisi yayo ebese ngingakwazi ukuthi ngiyibuyisele emuva. Angifuni ukwanda kakhulu ngane zakwethu. Ukhona usisi naye uzonichazela mayelana nenkinga abhekane nayo nemoto ebiyintsha sha, kungekho ukuthi mhlambe ibiyi-second hand. Ngane zakwethu, asiqaphele amaqola, asiqaphele indlela esiphathwa ngayo kuma-dealership, asiqaphele into eyenziwayo ukuze sikwazi ukuthi singenami. Okokuqala, uma ngabe ufika laphana o-sales person, ngoba akubona bonke abafana, basuke bekuwelkhamela ukuthi bafuna ukuthi uthenge imoto noma uzizwe ucomfortable ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthi uthenge imoto. Lokho kufanele ukuqonda ukuthi mhlambe uthenga, ingakho mhlawumbe umuntu omnyama kunale mindset ethi abantu abamnyama bayizidomu ngoba bathenga into abayaziyo. Ingoba umuntu usuke egeyinele into yokuthi angaze ngayibona kusibanibani inenkinga, nami ngeke izikwazi ukuthi nginikeze inkinga. Ingakho mhlambe kugcina kunaleyo nto leyo. Ngaphandle kwanda kakhulu, ake sigxume sihlale usisi asichazele ngodaba lakhe olumehlele.
Sanibonani. Yo, guys, I don't know. I think I'm gonna do this video in English because I'd like to get it as far as possible because ndinga usizo. So I have a problem. I'm gonna try and make this as short as possible so that it's able to fit in one video and I don't need to do part 2, no part 3 and part 4, etc. So I have a problem. December 2023, I bought a brand new Kia Sonet from the box, like literally brand new. In a video that's on my profile that you can check out to see the details of the moto and how excited I was. I bought it from Pretoria, Kia Hatfield. Very important to note. So I live in Joburg and work in Pretoria. So I travel to and from Pretoria and Joburg every day. So that's why I wanted a brand new car, you know, so that it can last me a couple of years because I was not looking to move to Pretoria anytime soon. All good and well. So I've had a problem with this car since I bought it. January, I was driving the car, which is like, I think 4 to 5 weeks after I bought it. It came to a complete stop while I was driving and the engine light comes on and it just came to a complete stop. Called the dealership and I told them, you know, the car just came to a complete stop. I don't know what to do. What do you guys suggest I do? They said, bring in the car. We'll take a look at it and we'll let you know what to do. All good and well. I did do exactly just that. And I was told that it's just a technical problem. Emojis will be righty. Nothing much for me to be worried about. And of which I did believe it. I was like, okay, you know, these new cars have got technology. It's fine. Good and well. Drove the car for about 2 to 3 months. May, I had my second incident. I was driving the car, go highway. I'm so sorry for that. So let me go into part 2. I'm going to try and keep this as brief as I can. Part 2 is I was driving from Pretoria to Joburg. I was now closer to Joburg, so I'd almost getting home. I was driving on the fast lane. Same thing happened. Engine light came on. Imoto came to a complete stop. It doesn't decelerate. It comes to a complete stop. I called IKEA and they told me, you know, get the car towed, take it to the nearest Kia, which was Kia the Clean. When I got to Kia the Clean, the car was in there. I was told that no, I'm a tracker. The tracker imoto is messing up with the wires of the car. That's why it keeps on stopping. And at this point, please just note, it was within 6 months. So I did ask them, no man, this car is giving me the same problem. Please take back your car. They're like, no, we're not taking back the car. This is definitely a tracker problem. It's definitely not going to happen. We changed the tracker and we put a bug tracker because it's a brand new car. The tracker was placed by the dealership themselves as part of a package of the car. They put a bug tracker and they gave me the car. I drove the car for 2 months. The third incident happened. Same thing. I was driving go highway. The car came to, and this was late at night. Ebusuku, and I'm in the highway. It just came to a complete stop. Engine light came through. I called them, and this was the third incident. And I explained to them, this is the third incident. The car just did the same thing. They took the car, they towed it to Kia the claim. And at this point, I had already accelerated the matter to Kia SA, and I explained to them, oh, this is what is happening. I keep on getting the same problem with the car, right? All good and well. Took the problem to Kia SA. Now, at this point, they were like, no, the car has a faulty part. The accelerator is faulty. They're going to replace the accelerator with a brand new accelerator. All good and well. Sorry about that. This is part 3, and this is the last part, I promise. This time they said imoto, they're gonna replace the faulty part. That's the problem with the car. And I there's correspondence. I think I'll also do a separate video where I show all the correspondence I've had with Kia SA, Kia Hatfield, and I haven't gotten assistance. So now, a week after they had replaced the part that they claimed to be faulty, I was driving in the evening. I've got twins. They're about 2 years. The car came to a complete stop. This was the 4th incident. A week after they had claimed to have replaced the part, the car came to a complete stop. So now Kia is telling me that they fixed the car and they want me to take back that same faulty car that they are giving me. And I keep on telling them, Guti, I bought this car brand new, and within a year, not even within a year, within the space of 8 to 9 months, I've had it brought to the dealership 4 to 5 times for it to be fixed from the same problem, and I haven't gotten any assistance. So please, if anyone can, please take it to Twitter, please take it to any social network you can. Tag Kia SA, tag Kia Hatfield, I'm gonna tag them also on this video. I have taken the matter directly to Miosa, and I'm hoping to also get assistance from that, because I've been fighting with Kia for so long, because I think they're not taking this seriously. Because if it was somebody else, imagine your child is driving a faulty car. At any point it could come to a stop. You could be driving at night in a scary part, and just imagine that car has to come to a complete stop. So at this point, I need you to spread it as far. Do not buy a car from Kia SA, because I bought a brand new car expecting quality and expecting that if the car is giving me a problem, they will